I bought a Weber grill. It came with a QR code, and I downloaded the BILT app, and it showed me how to assemble the product in like 3D on my phone. It also like showed me where the parts are supposed to be and what they're supposed to look like, all that sort of stuff. And it was super easy because I hate putting things together.
Compared to paper instructions, what would you say?
100% better. I mean, compared to, you know, kind of tearing your hair out, missing parts, not putting it, you know, I've done stuff where I've like jammed something in there that wasn't supposed to be in there. So I think definitely like better outcome and less frustration.
Tell me compared to video on YouTube.
I mean, it's better because you can pause and like move around the 3D models and be like, you know, it's more intelligent than a video. A video is from somebody else, you know, might not, you know, a lot of the times I watch the video and it's like, I want to see that, you know, and it's like, they don't show you that. So, you know, you can manipulate the image and look like zoom and stuff like that. So it's very, very nice in that regard.
Awesome. So what would you tell someone if they didn't want to download an app? What would you say?
I would say do it because it'll save you time and frustration. Whatever you're putting together or training for is going to be better.
Awesome.